What's up, guys? Welcome back to a video. Today we're going to be playing this game. And yes, I'm going to actually leave this and actually join a legacy. And we're going to only be playing one sync. Just one sync. So we're going to go to the legacy map. We're going to go to the container ship. Come on, let me go to the container ship. Oh, the boat is going down. So, looks like we gotta try to survive. This boat looks kind of cool. Oh, this actually looks foggy. And no, I'm not teaming up with Bozo Plays today. I guess she made her own video, so I'm making my own video. I already made 2 other videos, 2 shorts. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing shorts too. Only reason why I started off with videos is it's because okay, something looks off. Oh, it's sinking in the back. Oh no, sisters. No. Look at that. The boat's sinking. I don't care, I'm risking my life. I'll go into the back. I know I can't believe lifeboats. You gotta be a crew member, it says. Oh, I'm screwed. Should probably start heading back. Nah, I'm going in the basement. You gotta check downstairs, right? Oh, no. It's about to flood that floor. Let's go to the top. Go. We might die to the ground. So, we're just gonna let this boat sink. How come other people are still alive? It said it was gonna split in this one, so I should get on the other half. In the picture, it looked like it was gonna split. So I should get on the other half so I can survive. And yeah, there it goes. Lifeboats, I don't think we can access anymore. All I know is that this boat is so big. Sorry for the yawn. I just been waiting for the video. So we're just waiting. This boat's soon gonna split. People are role playing on this boat. I don't think you should be role playing. I think you should be screaming. Like, you're gonna role play. You're gonna role play. Why is there somebody else talking? The basement. The basement. Basement. So this is the fun of the boat. Ooh. That's a lot of water. Try the other side? Yeah, that's good. Here's the hallway. Wait, that looks like that's longer than this. Yeah, that looks way more closer. Oh, hold on. I think I know why it looks longer. So it's mostly sinking to this side. So I should probably get off here before I get lost. Ooh, there's a ladder. Let's go check out the floor next up. Oh, water is flooded in here. Let's go up another one. Alright, so we're basically on deck. There's more, I believe. No, this is the main deck. So now we're on main deck. I think soon it's gonna split. So, yeah. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I know I'm not posting the best content yet. I'm still working on it, okay? And soon I'll do a live stream. And all of you guys, I'll be saving up some Robux and I'll be giving it away to all of you. If you guys don't know what my username is, my username is xcools231781. I'll show you my username at the end of the video, so you guys can like, whoa, I didn't prepare that. I knew it was gonna split. Get in. Alright. We don't have no time. We gotta run. This side's blocked. We have to keep going straight. Go! Oh my gosh. He's dead. And this boat's gonna sink. This boat's gonna sink. This boat is gonna sink. This boat is gonna sink. To the bottom of the ocean it goes. I don't wanna even know. I don't wanna even know where this goes. I don't wanna even be there, no. I just gonna whoa. This is so boring, kind of. This is not an actual song. Just saying that's not a song. So please, YouTube, don't ban me. That's not even a song. Oh no, it's sinking fast. This is so boring. No. Oh, this is the boat that's gonna sink. Ooh, ooh. Please, YouTube, don't get me banned. Because this is not a song. A song. Mm, mm. Beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. But. So now as we wait for the boat to go down, I think it's going full speed now. Yep, say goodbye to the boat. Say goodbye to the boat. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, bye. Bye, bye, everyone. Bye, bye. Bye, bye. Bye, bye. Bye, bye. Bye, bye. Bye, bye. 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 The boat's done. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Hello, guys. Before I end this video, I would like to show you my account. This is my account, xcool231781. Please try to send me friend requests if you guys see this. And I'll see you next time.